Hello everyone, myself Sobanadevi, third year from CSE department. Now is about the topic is support vector machine. What is support vector machine? Support vector machine or SVM is the one of the most popular supervised learning algorithm which is used for classifying as well as regression problems. However, primarily it is used for classification problems in machine learning. SVM algorithm. The goal of the SVM algorithm is to create the best line or decision boundary that can segregate n-dimensional space into classes so that we can easily put the new data points in the current category in the future. This best decision boundary is called a hyperplane. Types of SVM. SVM can be two types. SVM, linear SVM. Linear SVM is used for linearly separable data, which means if the data set can be classified into two classes by using a single straight line, then such data is termed as linearly separable data and the classifier is used called as linear SVM classifier. Non-linear SVM. Non-linear SVM is used for non-linearly separated data, which means if the data set cannot be classified by using a straight line, then such data is termed as non-linear data and classifier used is called as non-linear SVM classifier. Hyperplane in SVM algorithm. There can be multiple lines, decision boundaries to segregate that classes in n dimensional space, but we need to find out the best decision boundary that helps to classify the data points. This best boundary is known as the hyperplane of SVM. The dimension of the hyperplane depend on the feature present in the data set, which means if there are two features, then the hyperplane will be in straight line, and if there are three features, then hyperplane will be on two-dimensional plane. Tuning parameters of SVM. There are four types of tuning parameters: kernel, regularization, gamma, margin. Kernel, mathematical functions for transforming data using some linear algebra. Different SVM algorithms used for different types of kernel functions. Regularization, also see parameters in Python's sklearn library. Optimizes SVM classifier to avoid misclassifying the data. C tends to large, C tends to small. C tends to large, change of overfit. C tends to small, change of underfitting. Gamma defines how far influences the calculations of flexible lines of separation. Low gamma points far from plausible lines are considered for calculations. High gamma tends to points close to plausible lines are considered for calculations. Margin. Margin is the perpendicular distance between the closest data points and the hyperplane. The best optimized lines which maximum margin is termed as margin maximal hyperplane. The closest points when the margin distance is calculated are considered as the support vectors. Applications: face detection, text and hypertext categorization, classification of images, bioinformatics, handwriting recognition, protein fold and remote homology detection, generalized predictive control. Thanks for watching.